Now we are going to see addition and subtraction of money. You know that money is very essential. So generally we are going to buy something from the shop. We have to pay the money for the things. Okay, so we are going to see the addition and subtraction of monies, that is called as rupees and pies. That is what I've written here. So we can use in this place addition, and next one is subtraction. So anyhow 56.75, the first question is given. So addition 56.75, rupees 56 and 75 pies. Second is 123 rupees 50 pies. So 76 rupees and 25 pies. While you go for any shops, okay, if you go for the malls and shopping malls, wherever you can go, so you can buy something, the bill is given to you. So in the from this bill you can read whatever the totals. So it is clearly mentioned, so how much rupees and how much pies is clearly mentioned, and the total amount also given the finally they're given the total amount, and how much you pay and how much they return back. Everything is clearly mentioned in the bill. Okay, that is what that is the method exactly you have seen in real life application. So we are going to see the addition and subtraction of money. You know that money is very essential, because wherever you go to the shop, we have to buy something. Even if you want to buy a soap or what chocolate, you have to pay the money to the shopkeeper, and how much you have to pay for the chocolate or soap, whatever it is, pencil box, whatever it may be, a tiffin box, anything. You can even a book. So for example, if you pay 50 rupees, so the book cost is 30 rupees, means you have to 50 rupees you are given to the shopkeeper. The remaining amount, the book the cost of book is 30 rupees, means the remaining amount how much you have to calculate. So it's mind calculation is also very essential. So 50 rupees given to the shopkeeper, the cost of book is 30 rupees. 50 minus 30, you can get what? 20 rupees. The remaining amount is what? How much you have to get back, that is the remaining amount is 20 rupees. That is the basic calculation. So but this, if it is a very long process, means for example you have to buy a lot of things from the shop, means you can't calculate everything immediately. Even you can use calculators. If you are very good in addition, you can easily calculate everything. So that is what you have to practice it. So that is what I'm teaching. What? Addition, that is rupees and pies, you are using in your day-to-day life, and real life application, everyday life, day-to-day life, you are using what? Rupees and pies. That is money is very essential part of the life, and also the calculation part is also very important. So listen to the class very carefully and go through the videos once or twice, then you can easily understand the concept very well. Now let's start the class, that is addition. So rupees and pies, so 56 rupees 75 pies, first one. The second one is 123 rupees 50 pies. The third one is 76 rupees 25 pies. First you have to calculate only the pies, then you have to go to the rupees. So 5 plus 0, 5. Then 5 plus 0, what? 5. Then 5 plus 5, you can get what? 10. So you have to put 0, then carry over is go to the next place. So what is the number is 7 plus 1, 8. So 1 plus 7 means 8. 8 plus 5 what? 13. 13 plus 2, you can get 15. So I'm not using any fingers, because I'm very thorough in the concept. That is what I'm doing very fast. If you want, you can use fingers. Okay. 5 plus 0, 5. So 5 in the mind and 5 in the finger. After 5, you have to use 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 0 is I've written here. So the carryover is go to the next place. Next pies place. So 1 plus 7, that means 8. 8 plus 5. So 8 plus 5 means 8 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 8, what? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 2, 13 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 13, 14 and 15. So 5. The carryover is go to the next rupees place. So 1. So 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, what? 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 6 carryover is go to the next place. So 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 5. The carryover is go to the next place. 1 plus 1, 2. The answer is, so you have to put the point, 256.50. That means rupees 256.50 pies. Rupees, otherwise you can use this. Okay, 256 rupees 50 pies. This is what you will write. Otherwise you can write like this. This is also correct. Okay. So this is the method you have to use. This is an addition. So listen, I tell you, actually I want to tell you one thing. Place the points one below to other. So this is what, ones and tens, and after this is called as 56 rupees. This is pice. So this is what, pace. While you write the pace, you have to put the point, then you have to write the points. So you must write the points very carefully, and you must write the point, or you must place the point very carefully, one below to others. So 56.75. next you have to write 123.50. so you have to say 50 means 50 paise. So 76.25, 76 rupees 25 paise. That is what we have to call, that is what we have to say. Okay ma. The next one is subtraction. So subtraction is, what is that is, what is the number as given, 300 rupees minus 235 rupees 25 paise. So rupees and what, paise. So 300 rupees, there is no numbers, because there is no numbers here, so I just put what, 00, because why I have write 2 zeros, because here the next number is 235.25 paise. Here after the point 2 digit here, so that is what I have written, what, 2 zeros on the top. Now I am going to subtract. So 0 minus 5 you can't subtract. So next you have to go to the next number. So you can't subtract here also. So what you are going to, because 0 is here. So while you go to the next place, so here also what, 0 you can't subtract. Here also 0 you can't subtract. So you have to borrow from the 3. So this from 3 you have to borrow 1. So this become 2. So this 10, this 0 become 10. This 0 become so you have to borrow from 3 only, because all the digits, all the numbers are zeros. So from the 3 you have to borrow only 1. So this 3 become 2, then this 0 what becomes 10. So you have to borrow from what, 1. You have to borrow from this 10 you have to borrow 1. So this 10 become 9. So here becomes what, 10. Okay, so after this you have to borrow from this 10, you have to borrow 1. So this 10 also become 9. So now this 0 become 10. So from this 10 you have to borrow 1. So this 10 become 9, and this also become, this 0 become 10. So 10 minus 5 you can get 5. 9 minus 2 you can get 7. So point. Then 9 minus 5 4. And 9 minus 3 6. The last number is 2. 2 minus 2 you can get 0. The answer is 64.75. I'll repeat once again, that is 300.00, 235.25. So after the point, second number, 2 digits are here, but there is no numbers here. That is what I put 0 for that particular digits. So what you're going to do, you have to borrow here 0, here 0, here 0, here 0. So only one, the last one is, that is the final number is 3. So here only the number. So you have to borrow 1 from this particular place. That is, this is ones, tens and 100. This is called as paise. Okay. So this is rupees and this is paise. Okay. So what you're going to do, this is from the 3 you have to borrow 1. So this 3 become 2. So from the 3 you have to borrow 1. So this 3 become 2. So this 10 become, this, sorry, the 10's place what is the number is given, 0. So this 0 become 10. So from that 10 we have to borrow 110. So this 1's place 0 become 10, and this become 9. So from this what, 1's place 10, we have to borrow only 1. So this 10 become 9. So this place become 10 again. So again what you're going to do, you have to borrow from 1. So this 10 become 9, and this 0 become 10. So what you're going to do, 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 means after 5 backward counting. So after 5 up to 10. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 here. Okay, so what is the number on the top? 9. 9 minus 2 you can get what, 7. So after 2 you have to start counting up to 9. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 7. You have to write 7. So put the point. So what is the number here? So 9. 9 minus 5. So 9 minus 5, you can get what? 4. And again 9 minus 3, you can get 6. So 9 minus 5. After 5, after 5 you have to count, backward counting up to what? 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. The answer is 4. So here also 9 minus 3. So what you're going to do? So after 3, you have to start counting. That is backward counting. After 3, that means 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6. So this last hundredths place, what is the number? 2. Here also 2. To 2 minus 2, we can get 0. So no need to put 0 here. The answer is 64 rupees 75 paise. So 64 rupees 75 paise, or else 64 rupees 75 paise. This is the answer for the question.